Before that, we had, since 2000, we had customs sales tax and excise tax. GST is going to replace sales tax from there, and income tax was from 2001. So now we are introducing new tax regime, fiscal measures altogether. So we expect teething problems, Sishuni. There, in terms of, I'll answer in terms of Hardware Association. It is true that Hardware Association has made an appeal to DRC that the Kongiani staff that they cannot sell this Kadebenasi. So the DRC has specifically said that under this GST tax regime, the Kongiani transitional adjustment is the Pe Misuvesi, the Kongialamno, Indira Tatungachiki, Ministry Katule Beochandi. Before we commit to anything, we have asked for two important information from the Hardware Association. We asked verified membership list of the Hardware Association. Then we asked average monthly sales tax. I think DRC has the information, but we want to counter check that and actually see if the real genuine problem you can make but that should zumbe, I cannot commit that but since this is a new tax regime, I think we will look at issue this but Ministry would like to reiterate, like advisory series, Bebe Zumbe, GST registration and Begumi Disudi, the prudently the inventory this relation better managed Benasi, because we know that some are intentionally because tax key information unity holding that issues to Wamul, the Hashanachiki excise, the alcohol, the tobacco district Bemi Zumbe, so and Bendikite and Lishumbera and managed better as the Hashanach advisory to issue. The Niba Sudalu. Actually, automobile dealer district automobile district since we are going to have a major shift in the taxation system, so we have basically used customs tax act nadi. There's this bonded customs scheme so I think DRC has given this opportunity to the all vehicle dealers that they can they need not pay taxes for now. If they have immediately, if they don't want to sell, they can put in the customs bond, and then as and when they release from the customs bond, then they pay Shumani. That's until 31st December. This we have given so that automobile dealers' cash flow will not be affected. Now, this measure is intended to smooth transition for automobile dealers, facilitate better cash flow, and ensure the effective rollout of the new tax regime. The last question is about the GST and inflation level. And we know that goods and services tax is a new tax regime. The government has taken comprehensive measures to mitigate this impact. The sales tax, you have sales tax rates, some 0 to 5 to 10, as high as 100%. In the GST regime, it's a simple 5% across all GST. So these measures include the overhauling income tax. Income tax overhauling be GST the 2020 GST UMD overhaul be MN they have taken into consideration all those inflation this and considered be Consider Begumidi, the income tax income tax act, new income tax will put more money into the hands of the public. The new merger of BIT into PIT will also benefit promotion. The Shemichidi, the new tax pay Bemi, about 34,000 taxpayers will actually be going out of the tax packet. The lower one will not be paying taxes, 34,000 that you do. And about 40,000 taxpayers will be paying lower tax rates because CIT this year has been reduced, so this will boost investment, the product this year. So, and government will actually be giving up to almost like 4 to 5 billion that you give up anyway. We expect this money, the money that is foregone by the government to go into the hands of the public issue. Those will also go into helping the inflationary pressure. Of course, the inflationary pressure is because inflationary pressure. You know that GST 2020 GST rate was 7%. If you had go along with that, GST would have pressure. Inflation would have gone up by about 3 to 4%. Now that we are bringing it down to 5%, the inflationary pressure calculate whether it will be about 1 to 2% the chi joni gi anyinga du shunel indira beru ngachi gi datu amending GS tax the version yuma excise equalization tax you this puts a cascading effect on the tax dan disu many digi the cascading effect disu many digi tangachi inflationary pressure disu as nyungu pe jong shuni. Then regarding the studies on GST, the inflation is not based. Yes, the Ministry of Finance has conducted in-house research. This will be the IMF expert. How will this GST on goods and services tax gibe kadibe beonga singa chipsil this and these studies have consistently recommended exemption this less bezogosi. Then cascading effect this mip bezogosi. Separation of rationalization of excess GST and this recommendation unidigi, and you know that during the summer session of the parliament we were able to actually get a very good tax reform based. We have exemption only on 5 items. Then cascading effect anyway actually I'm proud to say that we were I think even the parliament we believe that GST Act is one of the best in the world. I think in terms of implementation, Monigi woke up to Shunila. The Jura in the GST revision, the rates this would be download remove chap, cascading effect this would maju, distortion this year remove chap baby. The result of such an amendment is the reduced inflation from the impact of initial loss. That we expect that inflation may be about 1 to 2. That for example, that inflation 3 that it might go up to 3 to 4. But we have made a lot of concessions in the income tax. The impact is not